Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'll explain you Gann price and time squaring, how we can use Gann price and time squaring to find or to trade a big movement in the stocks. So today I'll take an example of Vedanta. Vedanta saw a fall of almost 11% today. So can these price levels and the and the time can be predicted well in advance? These are simple techniques. So price wise and time wise, I'll show you and how we can ride the move in the stock. So basic thing is this is the stock of Vedanta. The first thing is let's go with the price levels. So if you see this stock, it has made a bottom here on 12th April and the low is 209.75. So if I go here in my calculator and I'll just put the value like 209.75, or we'll round it off to 210. So you'll get these values. So these are the important cycles where this trend is going to end. So basically about 210, 271 is the first level, then 341 and then 419. So let's quickly go and check what has happened here. So if you see here, this is the 271 line. So first let me quickly draw a line at 210. So this is the bottom. So the first cycle was going to end around 271. So it ended here. And after that there was a brief correction. How to deal with it we'll discuss later in some other video. And the next level, which was very important cycle, was 341. It made an exact high of 341. So this is on the price level, so we know, okay, from this point we can see a reversal if the price is not able to beat this, is not able to close above this level. So 341 was here. So this is as per the price levels. Now I quickly go and check. So on this day it made a small top on 8th of December, January 2020. So I go here. This is Gann Analyst software. Go to tools and Gann emblem and just put Gen 8. I already have it here, but you can just change these values by rotating this wheel. You'll get some important trend change. The first date which we are getting is April 09. Second date we are getting after that 120 degrees May 09, and then 216 is 216 degrees is August 15. So let's quickly check what happened on April 9th and May 9th. So this is April 09. The next day we made a bottom and from there a big rally. And then let's quickly go and check May 09. Again you can see here it made a top here on 10th May. 9th was a holiday. From there it was just falling. And similarly this date is August 15th. Now 16th was the date. On 16th it has hit 341. So this is a both price and time are meeting here, and this is a very important level. So for me about 341 it becomes bullish, and once it goes below 323, which is the low, that is where a conservative trader will create it short with a stop loss of 341. It's a deep stop loss, but the rewards are also that big. Similarly, if you are an aggressive trader, you can short at the closing at 336 with a stop loss of 341. And then today what happened? Today if I go to a chart on 5 minutes time frame, so this was 341 which it hit yesterday. Oh, today also it has hit 341. So again price was confirming that price is getting rejected here, a double top, and once this level was reached 321, you can see such a nice fall came here. So this is how you can predict these moves. Similarly, this is based on Gann, and then I have discussed in my previous videos about angel numbers also. So 690 is a very strong angel number. So again this is my sheet. Yeah, this is for angel number. So on 26/9 it made a top. You just at 690 you get a date 16th August. So both based on Gann cycles and based on this angel number is confirming this date. Similarly, like AUROPharma 16th August it made a high. On 2019 you add 690, it goes to 6th August 2021, and from this point only the AUROPharma saw a very big fall. So this is 6th August, and from there it is been just falling. So this is done. So this is how you can use this. Now for Vedanta people who want to go short, best is to go short below 293, and if this is breached, I feel it will easily hit 271 very quickly, which is this level. And people who want to go long, best is to go long only about 307 for a target of 313, 317, 323. These are the three levels which I'm watching out, and maximum till 334. The price can again come back to this zone, 334 before correcting again. So till 341 is not broken, people who want to go fresh long, wait for a close above 341, then only go long, otherwise just wait. So this is how, these simple techniques can give us important moves in the market. Angel number 619, add to any swing high and swing low, you'll get to these levels. Let me show you few of the stocks which you can track. Let me just remove this filter, and I'll just add the dates. So we have all the dates well in advance. I'll just add the dates which you can use going forward. So 20, 21, 24, 30, and 17. So these are the stocks which you can track, from Angel number versus the Concord, Deepak Nitrate. Just note down the high and low of 17th August, like Deepak Nitrate happened today. So let's quickly take that example also. Deepak Nitrate. So the trade plan for this will be, yeah, it is a very small candle. So once 2105 is breached on downside, you can go short for a target of around 100 points, which is 2000. And people who want to go long, best is to go long about 2142 or round it off to 2150 for a fresh move towards 21 2208 and 2250. So this way we can create our trading plan. So these are the stocks which you can track for the next few days. Hind Petro, Idea, Indigo, IOC, Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer also is 17th August, which is today. So that is how we use these simple techniques to find important price and time levels. So I wish you guys all the best. Practice it, and if you have any questions, you can put it in comment section. Thank you. Have a nice evening.